Imagine buying a domain name for $1 and flipping it for $500, $2,000, even $5,000. No website to build, no traffic to drive, no followers, no selling. Just buy low, list it, and let buyers come to you. Sounds crazy, but in this demo video, we're going to show you exactly how. AIFlipDomains is the first agentic AI system that finds undervalued domains, tells you exactly which ones to buy, helps you list them, and even coaches you through the sale. It's like having a veteran domain flipping expert sitting right next to you, making every decision for you. And this isn't AI guessing, this isn't some ChatGPT wrapper spitting out random domain ideas. AIFlipDomains researches real sales data from name, bio, afternick, and pseudo, then makes expert level recommendations based on what buyers are actually paying. The domain aftermarket is a $2 billion industry. Every single day, regular people flip domains they picked up for a few dollars into real paydays. As you'll see, AIFlipDomains makes it ridiculously simple for anyone to get in on this, even if you've never bought a domain name in your life. Here's the simple 4-step flow. First, the AI scans and discovers opportunities for you. AIFlipDomains monitors expired domains, trending keywords, and real sales data from live marketplaces. It surfaces domains buyers are already searching for and paying money for, so you're not guessing and you're not scrolling through endless random lists. The AI does the research and hands you a curated shortlist of opportunities. Next, every domain gets scored. The AI gives each one an AVS, an AI valuation score, with a clear recommendation: strong buy, consider, avoid, plus an estimated resale range based on actual comparable sales. So before you spend a single dollar, you already know what a domain is likely worth to buyers. Then claim and list in minutes. Found a domain the AI recommends, purchase it directly through Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Porkbun right from inside the app. Some of these cost as little as $1 for expired domains or $29 for premium picks, on which then AIFlipDomains generates a professional for sale landing page and shows you exactly where to list it so buyers can find you. And when buyers reach out, and they will, because these marketplaces get millions of searches every single day, the AI negotiation assistant analyzes every offer and tells you exactly how to respond, what to counter, when to accept. It even writes the reply message for you. You don't chase customers, you don't cold call anyone, customers find you. And the best part, you can start building a portfolio worth tens of thousands of dollars with domains that cost under $100 each. Look at that, $89 purchase, $4,500 estimated value. That's the kind of arbitrage AIFlipDomains finds for you. Okay, so let's get into the app and show you everything in more detail. So when you log in, this is your dashboard, your command center. Right away you can see your total portfolio value, how many domains you own, active offers from buyers, and the AI's top 5 recommended domains for today with valuation scores and estimated values. One click to view details, one click to buy. Plus you get a live feed of recent market sales, real domains that just sold, xyz.ai for $2,500, fintech.io for $8,900. This is live market intelligence showing you what buyers are actually paying right now. Now, before you see any of this, when you first create your account, AIFlipDomains starts with a quick 60-second setup. Right? 3 simple questions. What's your goal? First flip, as fast as possible, side income, or building a long-term portfolio. What's your budget and risk tolerance, and what niches interest you? AI, SaaS, crypto, health, finance, gaming. Hit one button and the AI generates your first personalized domain opportunities immediately. No learning curve, no tutorials to sit through, no experience needed, just opportunities ready to claim. Now, this is where the magic really happens, the AI domain discovery engine. Instead of browsing through thousands of random expired domains on sites like expireddomains.net hoping you stumble on something good, AIFlipDomains gives you a curated grid of opportunities it has already vetted and scored. Look at this one. QuickLedger.com, a VS score of 82, expired domain, grab it for $1. Estimated resale $200 to $500. That's the kind of low risk, high upside opportunity the AI finds for beginners. And as you scale up, the AI surfaces bigger plays too. AIagent.io, AVS of 94, buy for $1,800, estimated resale $4,000 to $7,000. Different budget, same AI doing the work for you. Filter by extension .com, .ai, .io, filter by risk profile, conservative for safe bets, aggressive for bigger potential returns, filter by niche, AI, SaaS, finance, health, crypto, e-commerce, gaming, real estate. The AI does all the research. You just pick from the winners. Click into any domain and you get the full deep dive. This is the kind of intelligence that would take a professional domain investor hours to put together, and AIFlipDomains does it in seconds. See this green badge, strong buy. The AI has determined this domain has exceptional flip potential based on real market data. Estimated resale $2,500 to $5,000. Sale probability within 12 months 32%. Market trend upward. Search volume 2,400 per month, up 18% from last month. And look at this Google Trends chart. Demand for this keyword is actively climbing. That's how you know buyers are looking. And here's the killer feature: comparable sales, real domains similar to this one that have actually sold. quantumtech.ai sold for $4,200 on Cedo. fleetlogic.io went for $2,800 on Afternic. Quantum.dev sold for $8,200. This isn't guesswork. This isn't some AI hallucinating a number. This is data-driven, comparable-backed decision-making. Nothing else on the market gives you this. Found a domain the AI recommends. Purchase options are right there. Buy at Namecheap, buy at GoDaddy, buy at Porkbun, same price, your choice of registrar. AIFlipDomains connects directly with your registrar account. Set it up once in settings and purchasing takes seconds. No switching between tabs, no complicated checkout flows. Once you start building your portfolio, this becomes your command center. Every domain you own all in one place. Purchase price, estimated value, a VS score, renewal date, which marketplaces it's listed on, Cedo, Afternic, GoDaddy, Dan. Look at this. QuantumFleet.com bought for $89. Current estimated value $4,500. That's a potential 50 times return just sitting there waiting for the right buyer. And see these red dates. Renewal warnings. AIFlipDomains alerts you before any domain expires, so you never accidentally lose a valuable asset. The AI is watching your portfolio even when you're not. Now, this is what buyers see when they type your domain into their browser. AIFlipDomains automatically generates a professional for sale page for every domain in your portfolio. Professional design, clear value proposition, estimated value displayed, a make an offer form for negotiators, and a buy it now button for buyers who just want it. $4,500, one click, transaction done. You'd normally pay $50 to $100 for a designer to create one of these. AIFlipDomains generates them automatically for every single domain. That alone saves you a fortune as your portfolio grows. And now the real game changer, the AI negotiation assistant. This is where most beginners lose money. They get an offer, panic, and accept the first lowball number because they don't know what the domain's actually worth. AIFlipDomains solves that completely. Look at this, quantumfleet.com. Boyer offered $1,200. AI suggests countering at $2,800. Techstartup.io offered $850. AI says $1,500. Finledger.io offered $4,500. AI recommends $5,800. The AI analyzes every single offer against comparable sales and live market data, then tells you exactly what to counter. Click into any offer and you see the full conversation plus AI coaching. Suggested counter offer, the reasoning behind it, and the exact message to copy and send. Thank you for your offer on quantumfleet.com. After reviewing comparable sales and market data, I believe a fair counter offer would be $2,800. This reflects the domain's strong brandability and industry relevance. One click, accept the offer, counter with the AI suggestion, or decline. No guessing, no Googling how to negotiate domain sales, no experience needed. The AI coaches you through every conversation like a pro would. Plus, AIFlipDomains connects directly to all the platforms that matter. Namecheap for registration, GoDaddy for aftermarket access, Sedo for marketplace listings, and NameBio for real-time sales data and analytics. Connect once and everything stays in sync automatically. Set your monthly budget cap. Set your max spend per domain. Choose your risk profile. Safe for low-risk picks with proven demand. Balanced for a mix. Aggressive for higher risk, higher reward plays. And for anyone who's completely new to this beginner mode, turn this on and the AI filters out anything risky, guides you through every step, and keeps you focused on safe, high quality opportunities until you're ready for more. You literally cannot mess this up. Now there's far more inside AIFlipDomains than what I just showed you, but by now I think you get the picture. This isn't just another domain tool. This is a complete agentic AI system that handles the entire workflow from discovery to sale. And think about the math. Start small. 5 domains at an average flip of $200 each. That's $1,000 from maybe 10 or 20 bucks in domain cost. Scale to 15 domains. Average flip goes up to 400. That's 6,000. Build a portfolio of 30 domains and you're looking at 12 to 15,000 in flip revenue. And remember income. 2 billion market out there that does this. Click the button below to get instant access right now.